So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in View, Advanced System Settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, make sure that you're on the Advanced tab. And now under Performance, you're going to click on Settings. Now once this comes up, you're going to select Data Execution Prevention. Make sure that you have Turn on DEP for Essential Windows Programs and Services Only selected. And then click on OK. And now for the second step, you're going to head over to Search and type in Registry Editor. Click on it. And then click on Yes. And then once you're on this, you can follow everything that I'm going to be doing up here. So first you're going to expand HK Local Machine. And now you want to expand Software. And now you want to expand Microsoft. And now you want to click on .NET Framework. You want to click on this. And you should now be having a file called DBG Managed Debugger. Here it is. You want to right click on this. And then click on Delete. And then click on Yes. And then once you've done that, we're now going to scroll down till we find Windows NT. Here it is. You want to expand Windows NT. I'm going to make this a bit bigger. And now you want to expand current version. And now you want to find AE Debug. Here it is. You want to click on this. And then once you're in this folder, you should be having something called Debugger. You want to delete this. So you want to right click on it. And then click on Delete. And then click on Yes. And now for the last step, you just want to restart your computer. And then the problem should be fixed. Another thing you could also try is you could attempt to reinstall Microsoft Studio 2010 or whatever version that you're having a problem with.